Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to go live on TikTok without showing your face. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the plus icon available there. So let's consider that we are on live right now. So as you know that I'm not eligible to go live since I have 0 followers. So let's just consider this as a live. So to go TikTok live without showing your face, you can simply tap on the rotate option. You can see the camera rotate option in the top right corner. You can use that in order to flip your camera. Or you can even use TikTok filters to hide your face. TikTok consists of large amount of filters. So there are many filters to hide your face during your live. So that it is, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.